Be happy in your hope. Stand your ground when you're in trouble. Devote yourself to prayers. Romans 12:12. I know it's very cliche for me to say this, but prayers really do open up doors if you really devote yourself into it. And I'm also preaching to myself. J'ai écrit ça en français, j'ai dit que la prière, ça ouvre beaucoup de portes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Well, hello there. I didn't see you guys there. Bonjour, mes amis. Je vais pas vite. What? No, never mind. Don't even try it in French. Yo, look at the growth, bro. Look at the growth. Look at the growth, sis. Show them the growth. I could put it in a ponytail. Puis faire les chinois. Oh, shoot. Yo, let's get this video started. Show the package. Show the package. What you got? Show them what you got. Yep, the bag tried me. Just try it again. Try it again. Scoot in. Scoot in. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. It's hard to yell when a barrel's in your mouth. Passion Twist. I'll be doing my hair with Passion Twist. This video is sponsored by Jeanette Collection, and they sent me their collection. Sorry. So let's count the package, shall we? This is 2. Come on. 3. This is for people that be commenting. How many packs? 4. I'm counting the packs right now. 5. Last one, 6. Yay! I get a lot of questions. How many pack did you use? And I talk about it in the video, sis. Do you not pay attention? Some of y'all be keeping me on mute, but I'm gonna cornrow my hair and I'll be right back. Ha! We already did it. So now I'm gonna be doing this hair right here. I can't really show you guys because it wasn't showing, but it was like a interesting kind of way of twisting. It was like a 3D twist type of crochet, and I loved it. C'était comme on a twisté, français, je sais pas si je vais parler français aujourd'hui, but twisté encore un peu différent, huh? It's very interesting how the twist works. It's like a 3D twist. But this hair was by far cute. I really liked it. My hair, before I braided it, I put in some type of leave-in conditioner, so it was very soft when it came to braiding. So like my fronts for this look will not look the way I pictured it to look. Okay, it's gonna look like a day 2, 3, 4 type of hair. Yeah, j'ai dit que ce cheveux-ci, quand j'étais en train de tresser, c'était un peu différent. Parce que j'ai mis beaucoup de pommade, ça m'a fait un peu les cheveux pété. C'était pas vraiment tout ce que j'étais en train de penser que ça va sortir. Hein? Je sais pas si je dis ça bien en français. But yeah, c'est ça que j'ai dit en français. So as far as the hair, I really like how the crochet is. I like how easy it is to go through the loop, and the tangling is not as bad as most crochets that I've used that were twist. Jeanette Collection came out with this collection right here, and I say it's worth the money. Okay, I really do think it's worth the money. I am going to say if you braid your hair like I did, you might want to use more than 6 pack. So if you're going to buy this hair, buy at least 10 packs. Si tu vas acheter ces cheveux, achète 10 paquets, parce que 6 paquets, c'était pas suffisant pour moi. Fallait que j'enlève les autres cheveux pour que je mette ça dans les parties pour que je voulais que ça couvre toutes les cheveux. I had to take some hair out on the ends or at the bottom of my left side. I think this is my right side. Left, I don't know. But I had to take some hair out and fill them up in the front because I was running out of hair. But as far as the hair is amazing. I have it in for at least a week now, and you will experience a little bit of the tangling together. But as far as it making you feel like, okay, I gotta take it out, you won't experience that. Ces cheveux, c'est vraiment joli. I really like it. I will highly recommend you to don't braid your hair like I did. Don't moisturize it as much as I did, because it really did get my hair to look really soft. Jeanette Collection came out with a really good, this is actually like the first twist that I actually like. Yeah, j'ai aimé cette twist to see. I know I'm talking too much, but I just wanted to inform you guys on how the hair looks. It will tangle after 2 weeks. This is week 1 that I have it on right now while I'm doing the tutorial. This voiceover. You will experience some tangles, but it's not like major. So yeah, the way I laid my edges was a no-go. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit, informative. The hair is good. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. And I highly recommend you guys to try it out for yourself. I do know that you can untwist the hair if you don't like it twisted. and I tried it and it was bomb. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Je vais sortir ici. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.